Yeah, man. You look at all these boats. This is on top of where I was showing you first, Pattaya City. As you can see the red sign right here. But look at all these boats over there. We were down at the bottom earlier. Now we are up at the top. We are high up above the top. And look at this thing right here. Wow, look at the city. Nice. Wow. Yeah, looking all over the city. It's great. Looking nice. Fantastic. Yeah, man, look at all those boats out there. Like they are not moving, but they are. Yeah, man. And this is Pattaya City. Yeah, man. Great city of all time. Pattaya City. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Look all over here. Wow. Yeah, man. See? It's very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Great. Fantastic. I love the ocean. I love the way how it's just great. Nice. And all these boats. Yeah, man. Pattaya City. And this is Thailand, guys. Wow. So you get a better view right here. Yeah. Yeah, man. Better view of everything. Wow. So many small boats. They are like hands. They are so small, some of them. You have big boat, you have small boats. Yeah, man. That's it for right now, Pattaya City, guys. I'll get back to you with more.